Hey everyone, how's it going? So we're going to be drawing another Jurassic World Dominion video, and in today's video I'm going to actually do a little scene from the movie, and in this scene it's when the MOSASAURUS jumps out and tries to take down the ship because it's going for whatever it just pulled up from the little fishing vessel. But I hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our MOSASAURUS jumping out of the water, let's begin with the face. We want to begin right here at the eye. We'll start by drawing a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring this back here, kind of like a check mark with just a little bit of a curve. Starting here, we'll make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. Next, we'll make a couple little lines right underneath there, just for a little bit of detail. Inside of here, we'll make a little circle for the pupil, and we'll color in just everything, just leaving a tiny bit white. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to go around, and then it's going to kind of curve up, leaving a little bit of like a broken line there. That just kind of creates an indentation. And we'll make another little line right inside of here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to bring it back here for the top of the eyebrow. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to curve it down. Next, we're going to take this line, we're just going to bring it down, and we're going to bring it all the way back here, below the eye. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to bring it over here. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to bring it back over here. Then starting right here by the eyebrow, let's make a little line that's going to come down. Right here, let's draw this part of the mouth, just kind of curves in. I always like to add a couple little broken lines in here just to add some detail, to kind of show that stretching. Now let's add some teeth. Our MOSASAURUS is going to have some really big, kind of sharp teeth, and they're going to be curved back just a little bit. You can make them a little bit different sizes. I'm just going to make some big, some a little bit smaller, just show a little bit of difference in there. We also want to put the same type of teeth right along the bottom as well, so we'll just make some of these coming right across the bottom. Now for the tongue, let's draw a line that's going to go up, we're going to bring it down, and then we'll just bring it right back here. Starting here, let's draw kind of like a long broken line for some detail. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come up here. We're going to make some long broken lines right along the top of the mouth and along the bottom here. Little line that kind of curves over here. Make some right by the nose. And a couple more here. And some more right around here as well. We'll also make a little line or two kind of right along the tongue. Now, up here, I want to make that little crab cage where it's kind of jumping out ready to grab it. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come down at an angle. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes up at an angle, and a line that comes over. We'll make a little line that comes down. We'll make a line that comes down at an angle, and then another one that comes over here. We'll make another line down here. Next, we'll make a little line here, and then we'll connect it. And we'll make a little line that runs right down here. Now, right inside of here, I'm just going to make some kind of like bumpy little lines just to kind of make it look like there's a bunch of crabs in there. Starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come to a point and then down with another little line down here. We're going to make a skinny oval shape here with a little line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it around, and then we're going to bring it down here. Next, we'll make 3 little lines that come up here for like a little chain. Starting here, we'll make a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over, down, and then right to here. Make 2 lines that come over for kind of like the arm sticking out, with a diagonal line to connect it. Next, we're going to draw a long line. We're going to bring this all the way to the edge. And then another one right here. I'm going to add a couple little dots on here just to show that there might be like some screws on there. And then a little shape up here with a couple more little dots for some screws. Now, starting up here, we want to kind of make this big wave that he's kind of emerging from. So I'm just going to draw some kind of like wavy little lines right here just to make it look like there's water that he's kind of splashing, kind of jumping out of. So we're going to make just some of these kind of wavy little lines down here. And then right over here, let's draw kind of like a wavy, watery line that's just going to come down. And then another one up here. Then we're going to make another line up here. I'm going to make some of these lines just a little bit longer, just to make it look like he's really jumping out of here. And these waves are kind of crazy. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Mosasaurus jumping out, kind of like attacking this deep sea kind of fishing boat, getting ready to kind of grab whatever they caught. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.